How many days do we set aside in life to pursue the things we find interesting? And how much do we prioritize that which does not make us happy? Hello and welcome to the Ratbag Nomads YouTube channel. On this channel you'll find an eccentric mix of documentary style adventures involving camel bikes, rotten canoes, sail bikes and so much more. My goal is documenting unique journeys that demonstrate what is possible when seeking adventure and experience without the creature comforts. I believe in venturing off the beaten track, as this is where the true beauty of the world exists. I like cooking on the trail, riding my bikes on dirt roads, wild camping, and expressing my interpretation of my surroundings. My passion is to share these experiences with you, be they mental, cultural, historic, or even a bit wacky. I've completed rides through South America and have created the Southern Cycles series. It's a true Latin American adventure, where I climbed over the Andes with my bike. I got caught in dust storms. I crossed the world's largest salt lake with a sail bike that I made. I lost my tent, almost got robbed. I got caught in the crossfire of a gunfight, which I didn't film. I ate local foods and fully immersed myself in culture. When I got bored of that, I teamed up with a mate who had a canoe and set off on a 1,000-kilometer journey to explore the isolated regions of the Amazon. I also rode Alice the camel bike 2,000 kilometers through the outback of Australia. She was a magic carpet that I created and a golden ticket to help me cross the red centre of Australia. She was also the first stage of my current adventure of travelling by land as much as possible from Uluru to London. If you would like to meet Alice the camel bike and come on a ride through the outback of Australia, or come cycle touring over the Andes and canoeing through the Amazon, you can check out these episodes and more in chronological order in the playlist below. I must warn you, my early stuff's a bit rough, but as time passes, you can see my progression, as my adventures get more ambitious and my videography improves. My current goal is to ride from Central Australia to London, and I'll be documenting it as I go. I want to demonstrate to the world that fun and adventure is merely a mindset that can be achieved by anyone, in any situation, and that life doesn't need to be taken so seriously. Now, I'm not a daily blogger, I'm not even a weekly one. At the moment, all I can manage is about once a month, but that can all change depending on my Wi-Fi access. You see, in between my adventures, I work on ships around the world. I find myself in places that I don't have accessibility to the wide web. And at the moment, I'm working towards saving enough money to ride for a few years continuously. I want every video to feel fresh and rich, and hopefully this makes it worth the wait. Anyways, thanks for visiting the Ratbag Nomads channel.